At Jewellery Clinic, Kelowna, we understand that fine jewelry requires expert care to maintain its beauty. From everyday wear to cherished heirlooms, proper maintenance makes all the difference. With over 20 years of experience, our team delivers precision craftsmanship you can trust. Every repair and restoration is completed in our fully equipped on-site workshop. We proudly offer professional jewellery repair service in Kelowna, British Columbia, with attention to detail in every piece we handle. Our services include ring resizing, stone setting, chain repairs, and full restorations. Each piece is treated with care, respect, and expert technique. We understand that jewelry often carries deep sentimental value. That's why we take the time to restore not just the piece, but its meaning. Call us today at 236-420-0340 or visit jewelleryclinickelowna.ca/repair-restoration. Jewellery Clinic, Kelowna, expert repairs, trusted craftsmanship.